Here's prep test 64, game number 2, question number 7. So this is a possible scenario question, so all we need to do is go through the rules one at a time and eliminate answer choices that break a rule. So let's quickly run back through our rules and inferences. We know that we can have if k, no n, if n, no k, if j, then k, if O equals V, then k does not equal y, and if L, then L equals Z. So there's our rules. Let's take them one at a time. So starting with our first one, if k, then no n. Well, we're looking for anything that contains both k and n. And that is D. So we can get rid of D. And that actually took care of both of these rules. Next one, if j, then you have to have k. So in A we have j but no k, so we can get rid of that. Everywhere else we are okay. Next one, if O is assigned to Venezuela, then k can't be in Yemen. So let's look for places where O is assigned to Venezuela. That's right here. And k is assigned to Yemen, so that breaks the rule. And last, if L, it needs to be Zambia. Here we have L in Venezuela, so that one's out. And B is our only remaining answer choice.